Welcome to your Armed Services Vocational Aptitude Battery, ASVAB, General Science Practice Test, focused on life science, human body systems and functions, with a special spotlight on the digestive system. In this session, you'll tackle 20 carefully designed multiple-choice questions covering the organs of the digestive system, the digestion process, and essential nutrients. Each question will test your understanding of key concepts you'll need for success on the ASVAB exam, and help build a strong foundation in biology for your military career. Take your time, think critically, and challenge yourself. Whether you're just starting your ASVAB prep or sharpening your skills, this practice will move you one step closer to your goals. Let's get started. Question number 1. Which enzyme in saliva begins the chemical digestion of carbohydrates? Option A. Lipase. Option B. Pepsin. Option C. Amylase. Option D. Trypsin. Correct answer is option C. Amylase. Salivary amylase begins the chemical digestion of carbohydrates in the mouth. Saliva also lubricates food to aid swallowing. Question number 2. What is the primary function of the esophagus? Option A. Transport food to the stomach. Option B. Store food. Option C. Absorb nutrients. Option D. Mix food with enzymes. Correct answer is option A. Transport food to the stomach. The esophagus transports swallowed food from the throat to the stomach via coordinated muscle contractions called peristalsis. Question number 3. Which of the following best describes the role of the stomach? Option A. Absorb most nutrients. Option B. Store and acid digest food into chyme. Option C. Emulsify fats. Option D. Concentrate bile. Correct answer is option B. Store and acid digest food into chyme. The stomach stores food and uses gastric acid and enzymes to partially digest proteins, forming a semi-liquid mixture called chyme. Question number 4. What is chyme? Option A. Solid fecal matter. Option B. Bile concentrate. Option C. Salivary secretion. Option D. Semi-liquid mixture of partially digested food and gastric juices. Correct answer is option D. Semi-liquid mixture of partially digested food and gastric juices. Chyme is the semi-liquid mixture of partially digested food and gastric juices produced in the stomach before entering the small intestine. Question number 5. Which organ is the principal site for nutrient and water absorption? Option A. Stomach. Option B. Large intestine. Option C. Small intestine. Option D. Liver. Correct answer is option C. Small intestine. According to gastrointestinal physiology, the small intestine performs the bulk of nutrient absorption. Your small intestine also absorbs water and other nutrients via its lining. Question number 6. In which part of the small intestine do bile and pancreatic juices mix with chyme? Option A. Jejunum. Option B. Ileum. Option C. Colon. Option D. Duodenum. Correct answer is option D. Duodenum. The duodenum is the first section of the small intestine where bile from the liver and digestive enzymes from the pancreas mix with chyme. Question number 7. What are microvilli? Option A. Muscle folds in the stomach. Option B. Finger-like projections on the small intestine lining. Option C. Glandular cells in the liver. Option D. Villi in the large intestine. Correct answer is option B. Finger-like projections on the small intestine lining. Microvilli are tiny, finger-like projections on the inner lining of the small intestine that dramatically increase surface area for absorption. Question number 8. Which organ absorbs water and electrolytes, forming solid feces? Option A. Large intestine. Option B. Small intestine. Option C. Stomach. Option D. Pancreas. Correct answer is option, large intestine. The large intestine absorbs water and electrolytes from indigestible food residues, forming solid feces. Question number 9. Which organ produces bile, a substance that emulsifies fats? Option A, pancreas. Option B, gallbladder. Option C, liver. Option D, salivary glands. Correct answer is option C, liver. The liver produces bile, which helps emulsify fats for digestion in the small intestine. Question number 10. Where is bile stored before being released into the small intestine? Option A, liver lobule. Option B, pancreatic duct. Option C, gallbladder. Option D, duodenum. Correct answer is option C, gallbladder. Bile is stored and concentrated in the gallbladder until needed for fat digestion. Question number 11. Which organ secretes digestive enzymes such as amylase, lipase, and proteases into the duodenum? Option A, liver. Option B, gallbladder. Option C, salivary glands. Option D, pancreas. Correct answer is option D, pancreas. The pancreas secretes digestive enzymes, amylase for starch, lipase for fats, and proteases for proteins, into the duodenum to aid digestion. Question number 12. Which enzyme initiates protein digestion in the stomach? Option A, pepsin. Option B, amylase. Option C, lipase. Option D, trypsin. Correct answer is option A, pepsin. Pepsin, secreted by stomach cells, initiates protein digestion by breaking peptide bonds in an acidic environment. Question number 13. What creates the highly acidic environment in the stomach? Option A, bile. Option B, hydrochloric acid. Option C, gastrin. Option D, mucus. Correct answer is option B, hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid secreted in the stomach lowers pH to activate pepsin and kill pathogens. Question number 14. Which nutrient absorption does not primarily occur in the large intestine? Option A, water. Option B, electrolytes. Option C, vitamins. Option D, carbohydrates. Correct answer is option D, carbohydrates. Carbohydrate digestion and absorption occur primarily in the small intestine, not in the large intestine. Question number 15. What is peristalsis? Option A, muscle contractions that churn food. Option B, diffusion of nutrients. Option C, wave-like muscle movements propelling food. Option D, osmotic fluid movement. Correct answer is option C, wave-like muscle movements propelling food. Peristalsis is the coordinated, wave-like muscle contractions that propel food through the digestive tract. Question number 16. Which of these is not part of the digestive system? Option A, spleen. Option B, pancreas. Option C, esophagus. Option D, gallbladder. Correct answer is option spleen. The spleen is not part of the digestive system, it functions in blood filtration and immune responses. Question number 17. Approximately how long does it take for food to pass through the stomach and small intestine? Option A, 2 to 4 hours. Option B, 6 to 8 hours. Option C, 12 to 24 hours. Option D, 24 to 36 hours. Correct answer is option B, 6 to 8 hours. Food typically passes through the stomach and small intestine in about 6 to 8 hours before reaching the large intestine. Question number 18. Where do bile and pancreatic secretions first mix with stomach chyme? Option A, jejunum. Option B, ileum. Option C, duodenum. Option D, colon. Correct answer is option C, duodenum. The duodenum receives secretions from the liver, gallbladder, and pancreas to complete the digestion of chyme. Question number 19. Besides enzymes, what important role does saliva play in digestion? Option A, emulsifies fats. Option B, dissolves food and lubricates swallowing. Option C, neutralizes stomach acid. Option D, activates pepsin. Correct answer is option B, dissolves food and lubricates swallowing. Saliva dissolves food and acts as a lubricant, facilitating swallowing and digestion. Question number 20. Which stomach-secreted protein is essential for vitamin B2 absorption? Option A, pepsinogen. Option B, intrinsic factor. Option C, gastrin. Option D, mucus. Correct answer is option B, intrinsic factor. Parietal cells in the stomach secrete intrinsic factor, a protein necessary for vitamin B2 absorption in the small intestine. Great job completing the practice test. Every question you tackle today helps build your confidence and knowledge for the ASVAB General Science section. Remember, understanding human body systems, the digestive process, and essential nutrients is not just important for the test, but also for your future in the military and beyond. Now, if you're serious about scoring high on the ASVAB GS section, I've got two powerful resources to take your prep to the next level. First up, check out my ebook on Gumroad, packed with carefully crafted general science questions, covering biology, chemistry, physics, earth science, and more. 1. 1400+ exam-style MCQs. 2. Clear and concise explanations. 3. Instant download, mobile-friendly. 4. Perfect for daily practice and review. And if you prefer structured learning with live test and practice test mode with timer, dive into my Udemy course, The Ultimate Armed Services Vocational Aptitude Battery General Science Questions Bank. 1. 1300+ practice questions with answers. 2. Topic-by-topic breakdown. 3. Lifetime access. 4. Mobile and desktop friendly. 5. Practice test mode like exam atmosphere. 6. Track your progress report and review the questions and answers. Thousands of students have already boosted their scores using these tools. Don't just prepare, prepare smart. Links are in the description below. Keep practicing, stay focused, and believe in your progress. The more you practice, the closer you are to achieving your goals. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to check out more practice tests and study tips to keep your momentum going. Until next time, keep pushing forward.